I was broke until I find this business model this 3 years ago. Right? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how these things change for me. That I make my first $100 in this online space without with any skills, without any fancy laptop, without good phone. I make my first $100 with a phone that I pack with a rubber band, right? So you too can do the same. And in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how I do the same and make money on this particular business right now. So all what you need to do is to listen to what I will put you through in this video right now. On one afternoon like this, that I saw a post online, so it shows to click on the link. You want to learn something good in this online space, then I click on it, and what I discover in the training is that they teach simple things about how to offer your skills on writing, like copywriting and writing skill, voiceover and social media management skills. But what is that I'm a beginner, I don't understand it very well, but I still give it a time, like to try on it whether it will work for me. And thank God it worked for me, and I'm still enjoying the benefit today of the particular training which I joined for free. I joined the training for free, and I can tell you that in the second week that I get started, I get paid of 20 USDT for the work that I did for clients on this online space for written for the client, guys. So, and in this video I'm going to show you guys step by step, guys, how you too can do the same and start making money with these skills. So don't need to stress yourself. I will show you step by step, guys, on how you can start it and start making money online. The first things you need to do is that when you want to get started, you need to choose a high demand, like that is simple. Maybe it's voiceover, social media management, or written a product descriptions for people, right? Once you've done that, all what you need to do is to have a profile, create a social media account that you can use to get started with it. It's either Facebook, either Instagram, TikTok, YouTube is there that you can start with it too, right? So, and you start making a lot of money from it. So all what you need to do is to create a profile on any social media platform that you see that it's easy for you to get started with. And once you've done that, make your profile look good. Make your profile look good to the extent that it will pattern with the guys that you wanted to offer people in this online space. Once you've done this and you have make your profile look good to be attend with the product or the service you want to offer. So where are you going to offer the service? Who are you going to give this service to that we offer this service to? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 ways for you to offer the service to people online. First thing is that you create a Fiverr account, number one, and or you go to the Upwork, you create the Upwork account. So there's a lot of clients here that they need the service, like they need the service, all these product description, voiceover, and social media management. There are some people that need it, that if you join this platform, there's possibility for you that you will start making money within the 1 week of being consistent. And the other way for you to get started is social media management, which you can join and you start making money by getting clients to offer this service to. How will this easy for you as a beginner that don't know what to do, how to write product descriptions and other stuffs? What are the tools that you can use? There is AI everywhere that you can use to start making these particular things. Even if it's voiceover, there is AI for you. Just go to and to replay it or use a clip charm to do the voiceover and you give to the client and you collect your money, right? So when it comes to the product description, there is another AI that you can use, but the one that I would recommend for you in this video is ChatGPT. Once you go to the ChatGPT, let's say the client offer you that the client want to sell the soap, right? A washing clothes soap, right? So the clients want to promote that soap, like to get a lot of people and need descriptions for the product, right? What you need to do is that you go to your ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to give you 100 words, like to put on a description of someone that is selling hand soap. You know that once you have give ChatGPT the prompt, ChatGPT will give you product description which will not take you up to 5 minutes. Then you deliver to the client and charge your money. Like the minimum that you can charge on Upwork and Fiverr is that you can charge $10 for the minimum. But for me, when I get started, I charge $20 for minimum. But now, my money is keep increasing, right? So you can do the same. Once you get started today, all what you need to do is that if you want to do a product descriptions, right? Just go to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you the product description. All what you need to know is that know the name of the product, know the what the client wants, right? So then go to the ChatGPT, give ChatGPT the prompt, and it will gives you everything within 5 minutes of getting started, right? So even when it comes to social media management too, and you know the company that you are working with, what they did and what they do, what you need to do is that go to your ChatGPT again, tell ChatGPT that this particular company want to work with me, like to handle their social media management. Can you give me a post what I'll be posting on their social media for 30 days, like morning and night, or morning and afternoon, or afternoon and night? ChatGPT will give you this in a table that you will understand very well that this is what you will post in this morning today, this is what you will post in this afternoon today, this is what you will post in the morning tomorrow, so that you will do this by easy, like nothing will stop you from making money in this online space. When you do this by getting it from the ChatGPT, you need to touch it, like to add your own things to it to make it look good. Do your review about what ChatGPT give you so that it will not look like you generate it from the AI, right? So once you have done this, you need to repeat this with 4 to 5 clients. If you charge $20, 4 to 5 clients for you to get $100 in that week, right? So once you do good work on this Fiverr or Upwork, people will see you that okay, this person is serious, that it deliver his work. Okay, so once you have done that you get what you want to do on ChatGPT, go and complete it and deliver it to your clients so to get money. Then repeat it with 4 to 5 clients, and you make $100 within 1 to 2 weeks in this online space, because that's what I did in this online, and I start making money, which is back in 3 years ago that I've been struggling, right? But this year was different. That's why I want to show you guys how you too can do the same in this online space. Someone asked me, will these things work for me? Right? It will work for you. What you need are be consistent, be real with what you are doing, because what I'm telling you now is something that is real. So once you be consistent and you follow the instructions, right? So if you don't understand it very well, go to the description of this video, ask your questions there, which I will give you a reply to, or do a video for you on how to do it. If you want me to do a practical video on how to use ChatGPT to do all these stuff, go to the comment sections. Let me know in the comment sections. I'm in the comment sections right now, which I'll be checking time to time, so that I understand what you guys want and how I can help you solve the problem, so that you don't get stuck when you get started with this online stuff. So right now, be consistent. Follow the instructions. Believe in your ability to learn. Okay, you need to believe in your ability to learn, because if you don't believe in yourself, there is nothing for you to make. Right? So it's in every work. If you don't believe in yourself, there's nothing for you to make. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with others. Let them enjoy the benefit of this video, right? So that you too can gain a lot of things from me. So the $100 is waiting for you. Get started now or tomorrow. Don't wait on it. Do your research. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment sections. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.